There are several websites also, gktoday.in, Jagran Josh, this one, mm, Drishti IS is there. But the problem is, usually these are quite elaborative. I mean, they filter out topics. So it is always better to prepare their own notes from these. And the notes should be prepared according to the student's own convenience. Like some students might like to revise in a sentence form. Some of them would like to do it in a bullet form or something like that. But it should be very crisp, very brief, so that it's not very bulky, so that when you are revising, it should not become a very, very long time affair, because you might have just a week or 4 days or 5 days to revise several times. So it is better to make it very crisp. And preparing the notes, the biggest challenge comes is the relevancy. Like you don't know what to take and what to leave. So the best way is that if you go through past year papers of CLAT and ALET, be it even in the old pattern, doesn't matter, you'll come to develop a sense of exactly sensing what is relevant and what is not relevant. So that kind of efficiency will help you a lot in saving a lot of time.